Welcome to Ounuo Machinery Company Limited. We are excited to introduce our latest product, the Ounuo Smart17-A220 high-speed paper bag making machine, designed specifically for high-volume orders of tea, drinks, and coffee. With a daily production capacity of over 200,000 bags, this machine is easy to operate and includes only 3 days of training for new operators. Here are some of its key features: 6-part drum wheel and high-speed bottom sealing structure, Siemens precious control system. 80% of the mechanic parts are made of imported materials, ensuring stable high-speed operation. Can be equipped with an intelligent handle for single or double cup bags. We believe that Ounuo Smart17-A220 high-speed paper bag machine will greatly improve your production efficiency. Please feel free to contact us for more information or to place an order.